Hi guys, welcome back to our channel IPFighter. You might have noticed that residential proxies are getting pricier compared to data center proxy services. It's especially evident with big players like Bright Data, Oxy Labs, or Smart Proxy. These providers not only charge more than others but also seem to bump up their prices year after year. So, what's behind this rise in residential proxy costs? The first reason is the limited supply. Residential proxies are assigned IP addresses by ISPs, internet service providers, making them distinct from data center proxies that can be easily generated by anyone. Therefore, the number of residential proxies is always more limited than data center proxies. Consequently, this scarcity of residential proxies contribute to their elevated prices compared to data center alternatives. Next is the trustworthiness. Residential proxies appear more natural and trustworthy as real users. This is because residential proxies borrow their IP addresses from ISPs, making them look and feel like regular users. This makes them seem more reliable and genuine to websites, and that's part of what's driving up their prices. Another reason is the number of users. The number of users plays an important role in determining the cleanliness of a proxy. The more users share an IP, the less clean that IP becomes. You can refer to our previous video linked in the description to understand more about what a clean proxy is. More users sharing an IP often means it gets worn out quicker, especially if the proxy provider's IP pool is on the smaller side. Cheaper services with lots of users tend to result in proxies that aren't quite as clean. The last reason is the IP quality. Many providers tend to resell previously used proxies at lower prices, which can increase the possibility of users purchasing blacklisted, unusable proxies. On the other hand, reliable providers commit to not reselling proxies that have been previously used, making their offerings more expensive but ensuring higher quality and cleaner IPs. As websites increasingly block data center IPs, prioritizing residential proxies is advisable to avoid IP blacklisting or account suspension. However, depending on the platform's acceptance of data center IPs, you may use both types if necessary. Pricing alone does not guarantee superior quality. To choose the most suitable proxy service, consider factors such as provider reliability and proxy quality. It's challenging to find sources for specific proxy deals, as sharing such information widely can lead to an increasing number of users and thus reduced proxy performance. To strike a balance between cost and desired quality, your best approach is to conduct your research and test proxies to find the right fit for your needs. You can refer to our previous video on how to choose a reliable proxy service linked in the description. If you find this video helpful, hit like and subscribe to get notified about my upcoming videos. If you have any further questions, you can contact us via Facebook or Twitter. Good luck and see you next time.